Okay, my library is a medium-sized library. There's smaller ones and there's bigger ones, and we're about medium size. And if you ever wondered how much stuff there is in, let's say, the juvenile end of the building, which would include the easy readers and the juvenile fiction and stuff, here's a general idea. This is, I would say, half of the children's end. And as you can see, it's in recycle bins and boxes, and this is half. The other half is well, a quarter of it is downstairs in shopping carts and recycle bins and boxes, and then there's still some that is not done yet because we are out of boxes and we are out of recycle bins and we are out of shopping carts. So they're going to have to improvise and maybe see if they can track down some more boxes and stuff to finish the children's end, because all of this needs to be packed up by Monday before we close, because they're supposed to start peeling carpet up Tuesday. Yeah, but it's a lot of stuff.